Happy New Year!
It's 2023! Woo! It also means it's a brand new year with new resolutions. Are you making new resolutions this year? Are you even the type to make resolutions? In this video, we'll share you on how to make SMART goals and resolutions that will keep you motivated throughout the year and most importantly, get the results that you say that you want.
If you're new to our channel, we are Fran and John, a young retired Singaporean couple. We quit the rat race and retired in 2020 at the age of 40 years old. In order to make that happen at such a young age, we got pretty good at setting goals and resolutions. Before we begin, do hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm so that we can make more videos like this for you.
So back in my 20s, I would set goals every year, but guess what? I never hit any of them. So I'm sure some of you can identify with that. Looking back now, I will call these goals fluffy. Let me give you an example of some fluffy goals that I had in the past. It could be, oh, let's go to the gym 5 times a week. Well, obviously that didn't happen and I did tell myself that year on year. Or it could be, this month, let me lose some weight. Maybe it worked, maybe it didn't, but most of the times that didn't happen as well. So why didn't it work? That's because I didn't set SMART goals. So what are SMART goals? SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. So let me now give you an example of a fluffy goal. Hey John, it's a brand new year. This year I would like to lose weight. Can you help to be my accountability buddy, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
3 months later. Hey, how's your weight loss goal going?
Oh, don't ask. I haven't even started yet.
Oh.
Now here's an example of a SMART goal. Hi John, it's 2023 and I have a goal to lose 5% fat in the next 3 months. Will you be my accountability buddy?
Sure.
So here's how you can support me. I'll send you my daily food intake where I'll eat more protein. At the same time, I sign up for the gym and I'll be going to the gym twice a week. Please check in on me on my results on a weekly basis every Monday morning. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay. I'll be happy to.
Thank you so much. So now let's talk about having an accountability buddy and why is it so important. At the end of the day, human beings need each other. We're just hardwired that way. Having an accountability buddy helps us keep us on track. But at the same time, you also need to equip your accountability buddy with some specific set of instructions and conditions which your buddy needs to agree to. Your accountability buddy can be anyone you trust. It can be your spouse, your best friend, or your work colleague. Do ensure that this person is supportive of your goals and will challenge you when things get hard. My own personal accountability buddies are John and my gym trainer.
Fran and I are great accountability buddies. It started in 2018 when we began our hawker business, where we learned how to support each other with a shared business goal. As a couple, being able to share common goals and work towards them together is very powerful. We learned and grew together as the paths we were walking were headed towards the same direction. In order to retire young, we need to be good with our finances together as a couple. Therefore, it is important that we are accountable to each other.
I learned how to set SMART goals in my early 30s. And when I started to set SMART goals, I really saw the results that I want in my life, and that encouraged me to set even more goals. I'd like to share with you one goal which I set, which was very important to me personally. And that goal was to learn on how to ride a bicycle. You see, all my life, I was very scared on learning how to ride a bicycle, even though I really wanted to learn how to ride one. I really envied all my friends who could cycle, but I didn't dare to learn because I was afraid of falling down and hurting myself. In my teens, my friends did try to teach me to learn how to cycle, but it didn't work because my feet couldn't get off the ground. But after I learned how to set SMART goals, in 2014, I was determined to learn how to cycle. So the goal I set was to be able to cycle in 1 month without ever falling down. You know, I was so scared that I purposely left this goal until December 2014. That was still what I remembered when I declared the goal. So in November, I found a teacher recommended to me by a friend who said that he could teach me how to cycle in just 3 lessons without ever falling down. If I did fall down, there'll be a money-back guarantee. So at the age of 34 years old, I was finally able to ride a bicycle. The feeling of achievement and joy was just indescribable. And till this day, I've never fallen off my bike and I don't intend to. Touch wood.
In our future videos, we will show you how we set our goals as a couple for our finances. We hope that our first video for 2023 propels you to take action. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the meantime, have a great 2023. We wish you all the best and see you in our next video.